Hello everyone, my name is Kayla from the Museum of Antiquities, and today we are going to be making fairy rings. Now, fairy rings are naturally formed rings of toadstool or mushrooms that are found in either forests or meadows. Now, the Celtic fairy belief is that if you find a mushroom ring, it is a sign of fairies. Some stories even say that if you step into the middle of this mushroom ring, you are transported to fairyland. To make your own fairy ring, these are some things that you will need. For your mushroom caps, you will need 2 plastic Easter eggs split in half to make 4 mushrooms. For the mushroom stem, you will need 2 barbecue skewers. To shape the mushroom, you will need 4 pieces of tin foil, and then to show off your creation, you will need some modeling clay. There are also some things that you will need from home for decoration. Some paint, a paintbrush, and if you don't have paint at home, a marker will work as well. Once we have completed today's craft, this is what it will look like. You will have 4 colorful mushrooms to display and ready for fairies to come visit. For our first step, we will be putting together the mushroom stems. You will need 1 piece of tin foil and 1 skewer stick. Carefully break or cut your barbecue skewer into 2 pieces. Try making your barbecue skewers at different lengths so that your mushrooms will be growing different heights. Take your piece of tin foil and wrap it around the skewer, like so. This will shape the stem of the mushroom. And keep doing that until you have a mushroom stem that you like. And also make sure that you have a bit of skewer poking out of the bottom so that you have somewhere to stick it into the clay. Repeat this step with the rest of your skewers and tinfoil until you have 4 mushroom stems. Now we will begin painting our mushroom. You can use any color you want. You don't have to use the same as me, but we want to make our mushrooms really bright so we can attract the fairies. And you can paint a base coat over top, like I'm doing, or you can leave it as is, and because these eggs are so bright already. But you can just cover the whole egg in paint and then let it dry completely. Now, once your base coat has dried, we can decorate. I think we're going to decorate ours with little white spots. Now, you can decorate yours any way that you want. Use a clean paintbrush and paint your white spots on. Once you're finished painting on your spots, you can leave this to dry one more time. For our final step, we will be putting together our mushrooms and displaying them. To assemble your mushroom, take your painted mushroom cap and place it onto the tinfoil mushroom stem. You can continue to shape the tinfoil until the egg top fits right on, or if you are worried about it falling off, you can use white glue and put it on the inside before you put it onto the mushroom stem. But if you do that step, make sure that you let the glue dry. Now that our mushrooms are finished, we can display them using our modeling clay. Now you can shape your modeling clay into any form that you would like. Once you are happy with it, you can start putting your mushrooms in. Take the skewer and poke it into the clay. Now you can arrange your mushrooms in any shape that you would like. A line, a square, a triangle, anything. Remember to have fun and be creative when you're putting this together, because you never know what kind of fairies are out there that want to see your art. See you next time.
The museum would love to see what you guys have come up with and to share your creations with our friends. Share pictures of your creations with us by messaging us on our Facebook page, by email, or tagging us on Twitter. Also, be sure to check our social media pages and our website to see your creation alongside our friends.